Let's discuss question number 12 from test sets. This is from strength of materials. The given figure shows the shear force diagram for the beam A, B, C, D. The bending moment diagram in the bending moment in the portion BC of the beam. Okay, the shear force diagram is given and it looks something like this. So you have A, B, C, D, four portion, and this is, so this shear force, whenever the shear force you have the rectangles, it means that it's basically because of the concentrated load. So it's something like this. If you, let's say if you're starting with a concentrated load, you will draw a straight line, and then because, so if you have the same amount of loading, the loading is like this, it'll end here. There will not be any shear force in the portion BC, and similarly for the part AB it's the same thing. Okay, so I think the actual loading has to be this way to get your shear force diagram in this way. So the actual loading is this way. That means now, so obviously this loading only will give you the shear force that is required. So this is a bit involved. You have to know whenever you have rectangles in shear force, you have to have concentrated load in the bend in the loading diagram, right? So that's what. So based on that, once you are able to build this, now what is asked is bending moment in the portion BC. Now in this portion BC, if let's say the right side part of the beam, if I take, this is P, this is P. So right side, if you see, this is a couple. You have a two force which are parallel and separated by a distance D. Let's say this distance is D between CD. So the effect of this will be, so two force parallel each other but acting equal in magnitude but acting in opposite direction and separated by distance t will produce a couple. And one of the interesting properties, the movement at any point in the plane is same and the value is PD. So anywhere between BC, the movement due to these two forces, whether, so I've just taken the right side, the same will apply if you take the left side. So moment is always will be equal to PD. So it's a non-zero constant. So the answer is A. It's not varying linearly, nothing of that sort, because of the property of the couple. Okay, so answer is A. Thank you.